Hey folks, Ashish Trivedi. So continuing on the series of new construction, we're going to talk a little bit more about financing a new build. So when you go and you preparing to get your pre-approval, most pre-approvals, and if they lock a rate, most lenders are only going to lock the rate in for about 30 to 60 days. Some will do longer, but not long enough for your new construction home to be built. The new construction home is going to typically take anywhere from 6 months to as long as 12 months. Most of the times I've seen is between 6 months and 10 months, but that's still longer than what's required for you to lock in a rate. And in this market with rising interest rates, that's very important because if you're approved in the original process when you first started for, let's say, a 3.5% or a 4% mortgage, as you know, today's rate is double that. So there's a lender out there, Bank of America. You heard me talking about it earlier in a previous video. Again, although I'm NMLS licensed, I don't work for Bank of America, but Bank of America is a lender that I know of that offers a builder loan, and that's a long-term rate lock. Their rate locks can go up to 12 months, so you're secured in that. The other thing that you want to keep in mind is with your pre-approval, even though you have that pre-approval in place with a new construction, it's non-contingent. As soon as you sign that purchase contract and you enter escrow with a new build and new construction, if you have a life-changing event and you're now no longer able to qualify for that loan and you need to cancel escrow, your deposit could be at jeopardy and you may have to go into arbitration. It's written in the purchase contract. I highly advise you to read it through with your realtor or an attorney before you commit to a new construction, especially if you're someone who's self-employed and your returns are going to change and you're trying to buy a property, let's say halfway through the year, when you know you're going into next year and you're going to have to file your new tax returns. So keep those things in mind. Ashish Trivedi, hope you enjoy the video and look out for the other series of videos in new construction.